What's up guys? Kung nga pala si Ray Gonzaga at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Click mo na din yung notification bell para naman lagi kang updated sa mga panibagong videos na gagawin ko. Simulan na natin to. What's up guys? For this video, I'm going to show you the 4 kinds of easy abs workout. But before that, let me add something. First of all, let's acknowledge a hard truth. Not all 6 packs are created equally. Some guys need to work hard for their abs to pop out, while other guys, even not performing a single exercise, it pops out. So if you're one of the guys that need to work hard for the abs to pop out, well, these 4 kinds of easy abs workout will help you, and by doing this twice a week, you will see the result in 4 weeks. The first workout is leg raise. Keep your legs straight and raise them up until they're vertical. Number 2, Russian twist. Exclusively twist your body to one side and twist back to alternate side. Number 3, crossover crunch. Bring your left elbow to your right knee. Number 4, V up. Your body should shape V at the top. Now you know the 4 kinds of easy abs workout. Now I'm going to show you. Watch this. So there you have it guys, the 4 kinds of easy abs workout. I hope it helps you. And my suggestion, do it twice a week and the result will come out in 4 weeks. So if you have any questions, suggestions, and I will do it and I will record it any exercise, just comment below and don't forget to subscribe.